Hi, my name is Kevin Busk. I'm Program Coordinator at NACTEC. I'm also a private pilot. Here in Norton Sound, crosswind landings are a usual circumstance, and so it's essential for pilots to be well versed in how to land crosswind landings. The Crosswind Simulator is a full motion crosswind landing system, and our students are currently using it in the Aviation Ground School to practice crosswind landings. It's out of 1,000 points, and it scores them on how accurately they're landing with the center line of the runway, with the longitudinal axis of the aircraft in line with the runway. This is for student use. It's one of the many pieces of equipment that are available for student use to develop students into the pilot employment pathway. So the Redbird Crosswind Simulator can be run off of this panel by the instructor, measuring gusts, right and left crosswinds, and setting it up in a variety of different methods. It can also be run by the user inside the cockpit as well, and they have the same capabilities. But once you set it up here, the instructor, you can't change any parameters. So the student can't set back the crosswinds when they're in the cockpit. It's up to the instructor, or could be another student running this as well. What I'm going to do is I'm pressing the run button in the cockpit. This is going to load me at a 1 mile final with right now a 10 knot crosswind. And what I'm trying to do is I'm lining up this aircraft as close to the center line as possible, crabbed into the wind to correct on the wind angle. At the last moment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten this out and have my longitudinal axis, the long axis of the aircraft, straight down the runway as much as possible. And what I just scored there was 722 out of 1,000. I was 26 feet left of the center line. My crab angle was still off 2.8 degrees to the right, and I was still rolling to the left. So what ends up happening is I need to work on my crosswind landings, is what that comes down to. But it's a great tool. This is, students can set themselves up on a 1 mile final over and over again and build their skills, which is just an excellent tool for crosswind landings in our region. Thanks for checking out the Crosswind Simulator. Remember, this is for student use. If you're interested in becoming a pilot, check out NACTEC programs. We have many that are available for students, from Aviation Ground School, aviation maintenance programs, and if you get into those, you can get into this.